Hey guys, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I am here with just a quick little share for you today. And I'm sure you're looking at all this lush gorgeousness right here, and I want to share with you this year because I don't normally do haul videos, but when I find something that's really good and a really good bargain, I do like to come on and share that with you. So I have these beautiful piles of Sari fabric. I got 3 packages of them. This is the gray package, and you can see this is not a small amount, and I will show you in detail in a moment. This is the blue and purple package. Look at those colors, aren't they gorgeous? And then this is the reds. So I got these on eBay, and I bet you can't guess how much I paid for each one. Go ahead, guess. Nope, not that. 1 cent each. 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent. That's right, a penny on eBay. I've done this before. They have great penny deals on eBay. I've bought beads on eBay for 1 cent with free shipping before, and so I came across this because I was looking for some Sari ribbon and yarn, and this kind of fell into my search, and I couldn't believe that it was a penny, and there were still a few days left on the sale and nobody else bid. So I got this package for a penny, this package for a penny, and this package for a penny. Amazing, right? So I have the link to the seller in the description box. Keep an eye on that seller, but also there's lots of penny deals on eBay, so go over to eBay and check out the penny deals, because you can get beads, you can get this kind of stuff, you can get everything, lace, everything for a penny. Keep an eye on it, search through eBay, and you'll be amazed at what you can find. So this was something I really wanted to share with you guys, so that's why I'm doing it. Like 3 cents is what this cost. Can't believe it. And this is 100% silk, all of it. Some of it's raw silk, some of it is not, but it's all silk. So that makes it super extra amazing. So let me share with you these pieces. So they came in sets. This would be the gray set. And the pieces are Sari remnants. And they're not small pieces, let me tell you. I was absolutely amazed how big these pieces were. Look at that. They're huge. Huge. Absolutely. Let me back out just a little bit on my camera here. There we go. You can see how big this is. And look at the detail on the bottom. Isn't that cool? It's so cool. I love it. So there's that piece. And I'm just going to go through quickly because I don't want to make this video super long. This is another piece, and again, it's huge. And it's got this beautiful gold band on the bottom. Look at, isn't this amazing? You guys definitely have to go check out this seller on eBay. And it's so incredibly soft because it's silk. So this is, I'm gonna try and get a couple of other colors if I can. This one is the same as the last one I just showed you. These two are the same, I believe. It has a lot of cool printing on it. This one even has a bit of pink in it. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Just absolutely beautiful. It's got like figural things here. Like just absolutely beautiful. You could tear these and make your own Sari strips, like Sari ribbon. This one's the same as that. This is the same as the first one, and so is that. So these are 3 more huge pieces of that Sari. This one I think is raw silk. It's a little bit rougher. Raw silk is a little bit rougher than the refined stuff, I believe. So, but still, I'm super happy with it. These are going to make great bags and, you know, all kinds of cool stuff. So that is the gray set, and then, oh, look at this, you guys. You know me, I love this color. Look how beautiful that is. And it's coming up on the camera a little lighter than it actually is. It's actually darker in real life than what the camera is showing. It's a little darker. But there's that piece. That's a smaller piece, but then there's a couple of really big pieces here of the same. And then this beautiful, look at this amethyst color. I love it. How beautiful is that? You can see the pattern there on the bottom. And then this is one, and it's got gold, a gold band on the bottom. Beautiful big piece too. Absolutely gorgeous piece. Look at how amazing. That looks blue, but it's actually purple. The camera is making that look really, really blue, but it's like a dark amethyst color. Yeah, this is the purple here, but this is really purple and not blue, but strange. So that, and then this one is more blue, and this is like so soft, so beautiful, so soft. Isn't that amazing? So there's that, and then there's two more pieces like that, and then there's this huge piece. This is a huge piece, and this might be my favorite piece. I don't know. They're all my favorites, but it's got this beautiful teal color on the bottom, and then blue, like a navy, well actually that's a purple, and gold and flowers, and just absolutely beautiful prints on here. So gorgeous. I love it. And then this is another piece of that same purple that looked blue, but it's really, really like an amethyst color. Beautiful jewel tones. And then let me move that over here for a second. And then these are the reds that I got, and they look a little orange in the camera. They're not orange in any way. These are like a very apple red, I want to say this is. And it looks kind of orange in the camera, but it is not orange at all. It's very apple red. And again, a massively huge piece. And it's got the green on the edging. Beautiful pattern on that. This piece is the same. I love this one. Look at this. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that amazing? I love it. That would make a really gorgeous cover for a book. And then this is a massively huge piece as well. Look at this one. So beautiful. They're just, I mean, I'm amazed. That's the same as that one. And then this is a really big piece as well. And it's got a big green edge on the base of it there. And then you can see how huge these pieces are. So, you know, I'm pretty sure this is really good value for money, guys. So I am going to put the link to the eBay seller in the description box, and you can go check them out. But shop around on eBay for these penny deals, because I will share with you when I find some more, because I want to stock more up on some beads soon too. And I mean, a penny, you know, with crafty funds being limited to what they are, it's great to find penny deals and get this kind of quality and this kind of fabulous kind of stuff. So I hope you will go and check it out, and I will be back with another video shortly. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye bye.